Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Medal to Roblox. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, for an easy connection, go ahead and open up your favorite browser first and go to roblox.com and then make sure that you're logged in to your specific account. All right, so move that away for now. And then go ahead and go to your profile at the top right, click on it. Now click on settings here under Medal. Now, the left panel, you'll be able to see connected accounts. Just click on it. You'll find Discord, Roblox, Team, and some other stuffs. So Roblox right here, just click on it. And again, your browser will pop up. And as you can see, while we're logged in automatically, it is now easy to continue right here. If it's not the correct account, just click on change account from here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. Now give the necessary permissions right here and hit on continue at the very bottom. Just like so. Now, just wait for it. And then once done, click on confirm and give access. Now it's going to redirect us back to Medal. It says here you're all set. Now Medal right here will automatically pop out. Now our Roblox account is connected to Medal. And that's how simple it is to connect Medal to Roblox. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.